Hi, this is part of a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech by Dr. Victor G. Teves. In this video, we will discuss the properties of nouns.
The first property of nouns is number of nouns. Number indicates whether a noun denotes one person, place, or thing. It is a singular noun when it names one person, one place, or one thing. It is a plural noun when it names more than one. Here are the rules in forming the plural of nouns. Rule number 1 is by adding s to make it plural from singular form. For example, actor, actors, table, tables, chair, chairs, door, doors, window, windows. Rule number 2 is by adding es if the noun ends in s, x, z, sh, or ch. For example, glass, glasses, box, boxes, topaz, topazes, bush, bushes, church, churches.
A few singular nouns ending in z form their plural form by doubling the z and adding es. For example, quiz, quizzes, fez, fezzes. For singular nouns ending in se, ce, and ze, with silent e, form their plural form by adding only s. For example, house, houses, face, faces, maze, mazes. Rule number 3, if a noun ending in y is preceded by a consonant, change y to I, and add es. For example, baby, babies, city, cities, country, countries, history, histories, body, bodies. However, proper names ending in y form their plural by adding only s. For example, Dolly, dollies, Murphy, Murphys, Henry, Henrys, Kennedy, Kennedys. A few singular nouns ending in qui form their plural by changing the y to ies. For example, colloquy, colloquies, soliloquy, soliloquies, obloquy, obloquies. Rule number 4, if a noun ending in y is preceded by a vowel, add s to make it plural. For example, day, days, key, keys, toy, toys, guy, guys. Rule number 5. If a noun ending in o is preceded by a consonant, add es to make it plural. For example, volcano, volcanoes, hero, heroes, tomato, tomatoes, echo, echoes. However, some words are exempted from this rule, especially those words pertaining to music. For example, solo, solos, piano, pianos, soprano, sopranos, alto, altos, banjo, banjos. Others are torso, torsos, centavo, centavos, hello, hellos. Rule number 6, if a noun ending in o is preceded by a vowel, add s to make it plural. For example, cameo, cameos, radio, radios, igloo, igloos, tattoo, tattoos. Rule number 7. If a noun ends in f or fe, change f to v and add es. For example, leaf, leaves, calf, calves, loaf, loaves, shelf, shelves, half, halves, sheaf, sheaves. However, some nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by adding only s. For example, belief, beliefs, dwarf, dwarfs, chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, strife, strifes. Several singular nouns ending in ff form their plural by adding s. For example, bailiff, bailiffs, cuff, cuffs, cliff, cliffs, pontiff, pontiffs, sheriff, sheriffs, tariff, tariff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-fi?
Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.